Understanding climate change. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of climate change. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, affecting every corner of the globe and every aspect of our lives. Understanding the science behind climate change, its causes, effects, and what we can do to mitigate it is essential for creating a sustainable future. This guide is designed for viewers of all ages, offering a comprehensive overview of this critical topic. What is climate change? Climate change refers to significant changes in global temperatures and weather patterns over time. While climate change is a natural phenomenon, current trends are largely driven by human activities, especially the emission of greenhouse gases, GHGs, like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O. The science behind climate change. The greenhouse effect, the Earth's atmosphere, contains GHGs that trap heat from the sun, creating a greenhouse effect that warms the planet. Without this effect, Earth would be too cold to support life as we know it. However, human activities have increased the concentration of these gases, enhancing the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming. Carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is the process by which carbon is exchanged among the atmosphere, oceans, soil, and living organisms. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, disrupt this cycle, increasing the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities. This warming is causing widespread changes in weather patterns and climate systems. Causes of climate change. Burning fossil fuels. The combustion of coal, oil, and natural gas for energy releases large amounts of CO2 and other GHGs into the atmosphere. Deforestation. Cutting down forests reduces the number of trees that can absorb CO2, increasing the concentration of this gas in the atmosphere. Agriculture. Agricultural practices, including livestock production, release methane and nitrous oxide, potent GHGs that contribute to global warming. Industrial processes. Many industrial activities emit GHGs either directly, through the burning of fossil fuels, or indirectly, through processes like cement production. Effects of climate change. Rising temperatures. Global temperatures have risen significantly over the past century, leading to heat waves and changing weather patterns. Melting ice caps and glaciers. Higher temperatures are causing polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, contributing to rising sea levels. Sea level rise. As glaciers and ice sheets melt and seawater expands due to warming, sea levels rise, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. Extreme weather events. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, including hurricanes, droughts, and floods. Impact on ecosystems. Changing temperatures and weather patterns affect biodiversity and ecosystems, leading to shifts in species distribution and the loss of habitats. Human health. Climate change affects human health by increasing the prevalence of heat-related illnesses, spreading infectious diseases, and compromising food and water security. Mitigating climate change. Reducing GHG emissions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, can significantly reduce GHG emissions. Energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industries helps reduce overall energy consumption and emissions. Reforestation and afforestation. Planting trees and restoring forests absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate climate change. Sustainable agriculture. Adopting sustainable farming practices, such as crop rotation and reduced use of fertilizers, can lower emissions from agriculture. Climate policies. Governments and international organizations play a crucial role in addressing climate change through policies, regulations, and agreements like the Paris Agreement. Adaptation strategies. Infrastructure resilience. Building resilient infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather events and rising sea levels helps protect communities. Water management. Efficient water management practices ensure the availability of water resources in changing climate conditions. Agricultural adaptation. Developing drought-resistant crops and improving farming practices help ensure food security. Community planning. Communities can plan for climate change by developing emergency response plans and investing in climate-resilient infrastructure.